morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of a Japan travel series. And today we are in Arashiyama in Kyoto. And today is the last day in Kyoto.
Yeah. So we have started our day with bamboo forest, Arashiyama bamboo forest. We started from a hotel around 6 in the morning, and we took a taxi from there because we didn't want to waste any time, because we now know how famous this place is and how crowded it gets as the time goes. So we reached here around 6:15 in the morning. We could hardly see one or two people here and there.
Yeah.
So what we did is we got the best shots, whatever we can. I think within half an hour there was a lot of crowd.
Yeah, there was a lot of crowd.
But yeah, we managed to get some clean shots. So if in case you're planning to visit Arashiyama bamboo forest, make sure that you come here very early in the morning if you want the best pictures, because after that there won't be any space to move around. Forget about getting the clean shot. Yeah. So there's no entry fee. And it is just 500 meters long. I know it's very short walk, but it is something we'll never forget from your Japan trip, right?
And the best stretch is between the Tenryu-ji temple to the Okoji garden, Senso garden.
Okochi Senso garden, that's where the best stretch is. We have seen two stretches so far, but I think there are only two stretches. But the best one is between the Tenryuji temple and the Okochi Senso garden. Look at the greenery in the background, so beautiful.
The canopy is just amazing. There's sunlight, nice shade of the sun coming through those canopies. So nice to see that.
And that's the reason you should come early in the morning, because you can see the sunrise, right? So basically you can see the sun through the bamboo, and you're not going to get that afterwards. So that's another reason you should come early in the morning as well.
Okay, so how it looks, there's a narrow path with bamboo on both the sides, and there's this, what do you call this, Satya?
It's the bamboo itself.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know.
It's the dried bamboo.
And then
bamboo stalks.
So they put all of this on both the sides and kind of blocked the view. It's so high.
I think it's because so that people don't touch those
bamboos.
Engrave whatever you want, like
exactly. I've seen that in so many places. It's so
there
bad.
Here as well.
Maybe that's the reason they have
put that.
And it's so beautiful. It creates that canopy on top. And so nice.
I'm sure we have seen the photo of this place so many times on Instagram or on Google, on Facebook, everywhere, and might have even used it as a wallpaper. But we finally get a chance to be here and see it through our eyes, and man, it's totally out of this world experience.
It's so much.
It's not windy at the moment. If it was windy, even a little bit, you could hear that sound of
creaking of the bamboo.
Bamboo. I've been waiting to
hear that,
but it's not happening at the moment. Or maybe because it's very early in the morning and it's not very breezy. Yeah, and there are different colors, right? Like there is
Green,
green one. There is a lighter
beige.
beige sort of color, and there are odd trees here and there. In
Yeah,
between,
in between those
bamboo.
bamboos, yeah. I think there are like, yeah, there are a few. So nice. We walked through the bamboo forest and we came to a place where there's a small pond and a small shrine here as well. And this place has so many cherry blossom trees.
You're not in full bloom yet.
They are blooming, and you can hear the birds chirping as well. It's so peaceful out here.
What's that? Butter cooking?
Yeah.
Oh. There's so many cherry blossom trees here, right?
Yeah.
There's a pink one right there. Yeah, steps here goes somewhere, not sure where exactly. I saw a few people coming down when we were going to the shrine. So we are heading to now Tenryu-ji temple. I think that's how it's pronounced.
Yeah, and it's just like a minute walk from
yeah.
the bamboo forest entrance.
Yes. So we actually passed through that temple and came to the bamboo forest. So we're just going back.
So people are lined up to see the Tenryuji temple right
Yeah.
outside the temple. It opens at 8:30 in the
I think
morning.
so because it's not open yet and time is 8:24, so another 6 minutes to go for the temple to open. And it's written it's the best time to see weeping cherry blossom trees. So I think we're at the right time.
Yes.
And there's a Zen vegetable cuisine inside this temple.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we can taste some
Vegetarian food.
vegetarian food inside this temple. I hope it opens at 8:30.
Let's see.
So we just entered the Tenryuji temple. It looks more of a garden than a temple,
yeah.
to be frank. And we got the entry ticket that was 500 yen per person, and that's cash only. So get cash if you want to enter Tenryuji temple.
And we had a lot of coins.
Yeah.
Satya was like complaining. There's so many coins, we had to clear that. And we were like counting each and every 150, 150, 150. And we collected so many coins and we gave it off for the tickets. So it's the best time to see weeping cherry blossoms, is it?
Yeah, I can see it already.
crazy looking at so many weeping cherry blossoms. My God, so many of them. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. You know, when the sunlight falls on the blossoms, oh my God, it shines, literally glows so much, and it looks beautiful, and it sways with the wind. Wow.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
I've never seen so many weeping cherry blossom trees
Yeah, me too.
at the same time.
Yeah. And they're actually very old ones. If you see like this one, and even that one, it's like very old. They're very huge.
These weeping cherry blossoms are coming so low. It's as low as this. Look at this, Satya. It's coming here.
Yeah.
So low.
Tenryuji temple is also known as the Temple of Heavenly Dragons, and it was built in 1339. And it also has a Zen garden.
Yeah.
I forgot the name. Is it Sungechi?
Sungechi.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's famous for the weeping cherry blossom trees, which you saw earlier.
So beautiful, weeping cherry blossoms. And it's also a World UNESCO Heritage Site.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Look at this platform. It's made of wood. And it has tatami mats as well. You need to take your shoes off. Wow, it's so huge.
Unfortunately, the place where we are planning to try the Shigetsu cuisine is not open yet. It opens at 11 a.m. and it opens till 2 p.m. Yeah, it's a shame that we cannot try it today.
Yeah.
But if in case you're planning to try this cuisine, be here between 11 a.m. till 2 p.m.
2 p.m. After visiting the Tenryuji temple, we have come to another landmark in Kyoto, that is the Togetsukyo bridge. And the literal meaning of Togetsukyo bridge is nothing but moon crossing bridge, isn't it?
Very interesting name for a bridge.
And this particular bridge spans about 155 meters across the Katsura River.
Yeah.
And it took us about 10 minutes to come from the Tenryuji temple to the Togetsukyo bridge.
Yeah, and this particular bridge was originally constructed in the 9th century when it was a wooden bridge, and then it was reconstructed in 1930s, and they have tried to maintain the wooden structure as much as possible. And it has a background, or in the background there is Arashiyama mountains. They look stunning, especially because of the cherry blossom trees.
Yeah.
And there are people sitting on both the sides of this river. There are beautiful cherry blossom trees, the white ones, the pink ones, and they're just doing picnic, hanami, and a beautiful spot to visit, with your family, friends, and with everyone, right? So yeah, we are just gonna spend some time here, try to relax and enjoy this beautiful atmosphere. So this is our last spot in Kyoto.
Yeah.
How was Kyoto for you?
It was so nice. Like, I literally felt the culture. I love the lantern lit streets of Gion, the Pontocho Alley.
We met Maiko as well.
We met the
had a tea
Maiko.
ceremony.
Yeah.
We tried many food here.
It's a bit disappointing. No, not bit
Disappointed.
disappointed.
Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
After visiting the Tenryuji temple, we have come to another landmark in Kyoto. That's the Togetsukyo bridge.
Yeah.
And the literal meaning of Togetsukyo bridge is the moon crossing bridge.
Which is very interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting name for a bridge.
And this particular bridge spans about 155 meters.
Go. We have come to our next spot for the day.
Yeah, that's Goku bridge. Sudoku bridge.
Sudoku Bridge.
Togetsu bridge.
Togetsukyo Bridge. Togetsukyo Bridge. Togetsukyo Bridge. Togetsukyo. Okay, ready, 1.